Are you struggling to improve your English fluency? Do you want to speak English fluently or confidently? Hello, this is Neha and I am here to help. If you have been following my videos, then you already know that I have created various kind of tips and tricks to help you become fluent in English. And in this video, because I'm just going to be explore my final tip to become fluent in English, and my final tip is all about consistency and the discipline. So first of all, we have to be understand what does it mean by the consistency. Consistency simply mean making language learning a part of your schedule, making language learning a part of your routine, daily routine. It simply means consistency. That you have to set aside time each day to practice speaking, listening, reading and writing in English, so that it could be become of your habit, it could be become the part of your daily routine or daily schedule. That's why you are just going to practice it on the daily basis. Now let's talk about what does it mean by the discipline. So discipline simply mean that you are going to be sticking to your schedule. It simply mean that no matter, even if it gets challenging, and even if you are just going to make mistakes, don't give up. Sometimes you are just going to be struggle to understand certain concepts, but I will recommend you don't give up, because if you are making mistake, it simply means that you are learning some new things, and that's a crucial part of your life, that you have to be learn something, you have to be improve yourself, because we all are human beings and we have to be improve ourselves, and that is the purpose of our humanity, that we are just going to be improve ourselves on every area of life, and that is the crucial thing. Because you already know, remember, consistency and the discipline are like muscles that needs to be exercised regularly. The more you practice, the stronger you'll become. And now I'm just going to be share a few practical tips to help you stay consistent and disciplined. And the first one is create a schedule and stick to it. It simply means that you have to be set aside time each day to practice speaking, listening, reading or writing in English. Second one is find a buddy. Find a language learning buddy, or you can say accountability partner. And if you find unable to find anyone who are just going to be talk to you in English, then you can watch my videos in which I have already talked about that how self talk and how the self recording just going to be help you in your English fluency, how you can be fluent in English just by talking to yourself and just by recording yourself. You can watch my videos and I'll provide the link here. Now, and the next one, what you have to be do that you are just going to be, don't be too hard on yourself when you make mistakes. It's a crucial thing to become kind to yourself. If you are making mistake, it simply means you are learning something, and that's why it's crucial that you have to be kind to yourself all the time. And now you have to be reward yourself for reaching milestones. Doesn't matter if you are just going to be learning English just for 2 minutes, just for 1 minute, but the matters is the consistency and the discipline, that you are doing something to improve yourself, and that matters the most. That's why you have to be reward yourself. And the final one, that you have to be celebrate your progress, no matter how small doesn't matter, you are just going to be celebrated. And remember, discipline and the consistency are the keys to unlocking your English fluency, and you'll be speaking English like a pro in no time. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.